Hello and welcome to this home series where we explore luxurious homes ever designed, and let's explore this home designed by Sophie. Sophie is one of the best interior designers, and she has completed a lot of luxurious projects, and it makes her both prolific and influential in the interior designing world. This home that she designed covers 6,000 square feet, from entrance hall to reception area, family room, kitchen and dining area, 2 primary bedrooms, children's zone and bedroom. But I'm only going to focus on the entrance and reception room, and you can always watch the entire house tour on Sophie's channel via the link in the description box. These are just what really impresses me the most in these spaces. Hope you enjoy it. This is the most luxurious space I've ever seen. It's truly mesmerized with style, grandeur and perfection. And what impresses me the most in this space is how symphony of different materials, textures and patterns was intertwined to create a tapestry of beauty, which has been thoughtfully displayed in the entire space, from glamorous chandeliers to beautiful accessories, layered wall arts, patterned cushions and floor rug. This is indeed a space that's well detailed and layered, and each element deserves attention and recognition. Starting with how antiques were perfectly bridged with contemporary furniture, it just makes the whole space feel unique and classic. And blending in different styles creates a timeless space like this one, and it really explains how essential furniture layout was in this space. All along the space, I would like you to pay attention on the precise layering of the wall arts and decorative accessories on shelves and tables. They really play a pivotal role in making the space feel complete and splendid. I will actually make a separate video in the future on how you can layer your accessories to create that striking and luxurious feel. But there are quite a number of ways that I've seen in this home, which I could roughly pick about. First one is selecting intentional decorative accessories, as in this space, every single item on shelves, coffee table and side tables are dazzling. Second is varying the heights and shapes of the accessory. It really helps in creating visual interest. Then, the way you group and arrange them matters a lot. You can arrange your accessories in different ways, but the most aesthetic way is arranging them in groups of 3, varying their heights and shapes, like in this space. Or you can group them in contrasting colors, textures, and materials. Of course, you can't expect your home to look luxurious if you leave your coffee table bare or shelves empty. You just have to fill them with beautiful items to create that luxurious essence. One of the things that I really appreciate in this space is the stacking of colors and patterns. It just makes everything feel pulled together, and to make it captivating, the colors were turned down from one element to another, to the extent of even contrasting the colors just to create that visual interest.